Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you create an affidavit online. An affidavit is a crucial legal document, essentially a sworn statement of facts used as evidence in various legal proceedings. Understanding its purpose is the first step. Creating this document online offers immense convenience, allowing you to bypass traditional office visits and streamline the entire process. This approach saves you valuable time and effort, making legal tasks more accessible for everyone. Your next step involves selecting a reliable online service provider. It is important to choose a platform that specializes in legal document creation and has strong security measures in place. Look for features like secure encryption and clear privacy policies to protect your sensitive information. Many excellent services offer user-friendly interfaces, providing templates or step-by-step questionnaires to guide you through the process, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Now, let us focus on drafting the actual content of your affidavit. Begin by stating your full legal name, current address, and contact details clearly at the top. Next, detail the facts of your statement in a straightforward, chronological manner, using simple and precise language. Remember, every piece of information you include must be completely truthful and accurate, as you are signing under penalty of perjury. Avoid emotional language and stick strictly to the facts. Once your affidavit is drafted, a thorough review is absolutely critical. Read through every sentence carefully, checking for typographical errors, grammatical mistakes, or factual inaccuracies. Confirm that all names, dates, and numerical values, such as specific amounts or measurements, are 100% correct. After your detailed review, you will need to get the document notarized. Many online services now offer convenient, legally recognized online notarization, connecting you with a live notary public via video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.